Alright, so I'm going to be unboxing this specialty item from Arizona Nunchuck Company. Very nice, look at this. So we got a triple section staff, also known as a Sansetsukon. Let's get the rest of the plastic off. Look at this is awesome. Let's get a close-up view. So each one of these looks like it's basically two handles of the standard nunchuck length put together. This is a combination of the two types of nunchucks. The middle being one and the outside being the other. The single point versus the standard rotational one. Let's take it for a spin. Alright, so I switched to the backyard. I'm gonna give these a whirl. I haven't practiced with these at all yet. They're a little heavier and longer than I'm used to, so we'll see how this goes. Don't forget to use my discount code to get 15% off after checkout. See you later.